hapa Kenya.
Ogai mar jomin buche Noordin Haji osiro kang mano kaw mar wito oko bura mane omaka pisaz moko e piny owacho kowacho ni chike mathur kamie thuolo mar wito oko buchego ponono ni buchego onge kod mise machuno ni nyaka timnegi nonro. Haji nyowacho magi e nyasi mar chako ayanga chenro mabiro miyo jojela thuolo mar chwalo twak moramora magin go motenre gi buchegi. Chenro no biro miyo piny owacho thuolo mar duoko piny kwan jojela e kuonde twech mathur ka.
I have become synonymous with withdrawals, but withdrawals are provided under the Constitution, and it is a right. And where there is miscarriage of justice, we must, no matter who that person is in society, whether that person comes from the low or the high and mighty, that withdrawal must be applied if it is justified. The ODPP has reviewed 1,419 files from the Nairobi remand prison, from Makadara, Kiambu, Milimani, Kibera, Ngong, and JKI court stations. Indeed, this afternoon, the ODPP has availed a team of prosecutors to meet with the remandees to determine the way forward in the resolution of the cases herein, including application for alternatives to prosecutions and trial. And where possible, also withdrawals.